Synopsis ಎಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗೋದು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ
ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದ ಸರ್.
Sin of sin cancel 5 by 6. 5 by 2 minus 5 by 6. 90 minus 30. 60 5 by 3. Sin 60 root 3 by 2. Understand? So CET ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೆಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ. Next question. Question number 5. Sin inverse 1 by 2 plus cos inverse 1 by 2. You already formula go. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x how much? 5 by 2. Correct? Here both angles are same. No, that's why this is 5 by 2. Sin 5 by 2. Sin 90 how much? 1. Sin 90 is 1. Understand everybody?
Yes, sir.
Next question.
Sir,
Tell me, I'm here only.
sir, fifth one na sin inverse of 1 by 2 na pi by 6 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು cos inverse of 1 by 2 na 2 pi by 3 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
Going that much difficult one. We know sin inverse
3 by 5.
5 by 2 now. Value, formula, property.
ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
You can go
ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
shortcut method. Save time.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
It is possible in that method also. I'm not telling it is wrong. But very less time how to solve it. That is important in CET, no? That's why.
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
Next question. Question number 6. Sin of tan inverse 3 by 4. This is x. Very, very important question. This is everybody concentrate. One trigonometry or inverse trigonometry both together means how to solve. With this shortcut method we can do. Take right angle triangle. Let us assume this is theta. Okay. We want sin theta value. This complete is theta now. Tan means opposite side by adjacent. What is hypotenuse phi now? We want sin theta. From sin theta means opposite side by hypotenuse 3 by 5. Options there. One trigonometry, another inverse trigonometry. Two trigonometric identities together came. For solving this type of questions, take right angle triangle. Tan means opposite by adjacent. Hypotenuse 5. Outside sin is there. What is sin from right angle triangle? Opposite by hypotenuse. 3 by 5. 3 by 5. Very fast. What is the next question here, students? Seventh one. Cos inverse minus 1 by 2 minus 2 sin inverse 1 by 2 plus 3 cos inverse minus 1 by 2 minus 4 tan inverse minus 1. How to solve this? Cos inverse of minus x, pi minus cos inverse x. In place of 1 by 2, cos pi by 3 or 60. Minus 2 into sin inverse of 1 by 2 means sin pi by 6. Plus 3 into cos inverse of minus theta, pi minus cos inverse cos pi by 3. Minus of minus plus 4 into tan inverse of tan pi by 4. Pi minus cos inverse cos cancel pi by 3. Minus 2 into pi by 6. Plus 3 into pi 3 pi. Minus 3 into pi by 3. plus 4 into pi by 4. 3 3 cancel, 4 4 cancel. 2 here 3 times. 5 plus 3 pi. Or this 5 pi cancel. 3 pi plus pi 4 pi. Minus pi by 3 minus pi by 3 minus 2 pi by 3. 3 LCM. 12 pi minus 2 pi. 10 pi by 3. Not sure whether my answer is correct or not. Please check it once.
ಸರ್ ಅದು ಪೈ ಬೈ 3 ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಪೈ ಬೈ 4
4.
cos 1 by root 2.
That's what I was telling you. I'm not sure my answer is correct. I said no. 3 pi minus 3 pi by 4 plus 4 into pi by 4. 4 4 cancel. Okay. You cannot cancel pi. 5 plus 3 pi 4 pi plus 5. 5 pi minus pi by 3 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 minus 3 pi by 4. LCM 12. 12 pi are 60 pi. 4 2s are 8 pi. 3 3s are 9 pi. 43 pi by 12. Answer is that 43 pi by cap.
Fourth option.
Fourth option. Next question.
Sir, wait.
Completed.
No, sir.
Let's do it. Next question. Question number
8.
8.
Yes, sir. 8.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್
Eighth one. Tan of 1 by 2 cos inverse root 5 by 3. How to solve this? How to solve this means tan of, first of all, I will consider this completely as theta. 1 by 2 cos inverse root 5 by 3 is theta. Cross multiply. Cos inverse root 5 by 3 is 2 theta. Cos inverse on right hand side. Root 5 by 3 is cos 2 theta. Root 5 by 3 is equal to cos 2 theta in terms of tan formula. 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Then cross multiply and you can find tan theta value. They are asking tan theta, correct? Cross multiply means root 5 plus root 5 tan square theta is equal to 3 minus 3 tan square theta. Interchange. Root 5 tan square theta plus 3 tan square theta is equal to 3 minus root 5. Tan square theta common. 3 plus root 5 is equal to 3 minus root 5. Tan square theta is equal to 3 minus root 5 by 3 plus root 5. Rationalize. Tan theta is equal to root of 3 minus root 5 by 3 plus root 5 into 3 minus root 5 by 3 minus root 5. That is equal to root of 3 minus root 5 whole square by 9 minus 5, 4. Square root cancel 3 minus root 5 by root 4 means 2. Which option? Which option?
Second option, sir.
Yes. So what I did is the complete inside term I can consider as theta. Cross multiply 2 theta. Cos inverse transform right hand side cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta formula in terms of tan 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Cross multiply, find tan square theta. Rationalize, I did whole square. Square root cancel. Denominator 4. Root 4 is 2. Do it slowly, everybody. Can I go to the next question? Can I go to the next question? Question mark? 9, huh? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Question 9 they given like this. Tan of 2 tan inverse sin x. You know 2 tan inverse x formula property 7? What is 2 tan inverse x? Property 6. Tan inverse 2x plus 1 minus x square now. In place of x, what is there? Sin x is there. Correct? Huh? Tan inverse 2 into sin x by 1 minus sin square x. And mother that idea. In place of x, sin x is there. Tan inverse cancelled. 2 sin x by 1 minus sin square x is cos square x. 2 sin x by cos x into cos x. 2 into sin by cos tan x. 1 by cos sec x. Which option? 2 tan x into sec x.
Option.
Other 1 minus sin square x is cos square x. Cos square x, cos x into cos x per area. Sin by cos tan, 1 by cos secant. Which option?
Third option.
Third answer. Next question. Question number 10. Complete. Try ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ 10th question. Anybody got the answer? 2 minutes time ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, try ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Sir, 10th one pi by 3 na sir.
Sin inverse x plus sin inverse y is equal to ಎಂತ no?
Second option na sir answer.
Correct.
Okay sir.
Sin cos inverse x plus cos inverse y correct ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi by 2 ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ sin inverse x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? pi by 2 minus cos inverse x ತಾನೆ. So similarly sin inverse x place ಅಲ್ಲಿ pi by 2 minus cos inverse x ಬರೆಯೋಣ. ಈ sin inverse y place ಅಲ್ಲಿ pi by 2 minus cos inverse y ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. is equal to pi by 2. pi by 2 plus pi by 2 pi 2 by 3 ఇక్కడ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus 2 pi by 3 is equal to ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿ cos inverse x plus cos inverse y 3 pi minus 2 pi pi by 3. Understand? Chanda problem. Anybody having doubt? Can I go to next question?
Yes sir.
Looking at the questions. Question number 11 alva. Cot of pi by 4 minus 2 cot inverse 3. How to solve this type of question is it's not big deal. Pi by 4 minus 2 cot inverse 3. Cot inverse 3 connect tan inverse 1 by 3. Okay. 2 tan inverse x formula you know. Tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. Cot of pi by 4 minus tan inverse 2 by 3 by 9 minus 1 8 by 9. LCM calculation ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೀವು ಅದೇ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇರಬೇಕು 3 table 3 times 2 table 4 times that's the numerator tan inverse 3 by 4 cot of 5 by 4 minus tan inverse 3 by 4 right cot inverse 4 by 3 ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಪರಿಚಯ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ cot of a minus b ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ cot b cot a minus 1 by cot b minus cot a so b place ಅಲ್ಲಿ cot inverse 4 by 3 cot inverse cancel 4 by 3 into 1 plus 1 by 4 by 3 minus cot pi by 4 1
7 sir.
Plus 1 by 4 by 3 minus 1 7 by 1 answer 7 is there I used 2 tan inverse x formula again in terms of cot I change it to tan 2 tan inverse x tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square take LCM and cancel tan inverse 3 by 4 reciprocal cot inverse 4 by 3 idu a idu b cot b minus cot a plus 1 by cot b minus cot a cot b cot of cot inverse 4 by 3 cot inverse cancel 4 by 3 cot a cot pi by 4 1 plus 1 by cot b 4 by 3 minus 1 take LCM will get answer understand trigonometry first year problem formulas compulsory use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು first year trigonometry problems ತರವಾಗಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ completed next question can I
Yes, sir.
yes question mark not saying question number what one now
12th one sir.
Third question secant square important tan inverse 2 plus cosecant square cot inverse 3 in trigonometry we have formula secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta secant square theta 1 plus tan of tan inverse 2 whole square plus cosecant square theta 1 plus cot of cot inverse 3 whole square 1 plus tan inverse cancel 2 square plus 1 plus cot inverse cancel 3 square. 1 plus 4 plus 1 plus 9, 15. Answer is there. I will give you one more hint, Hemant. 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but 1 plus tan theta whole square. Yes or no, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Veer Babu, correct?
Yes, sir.
Donnaya,
100%, sir.
correct?
Yes, sir.
Do it. Important question. Basic is the last. ನಾನು ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನಾಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ 1 ಮಂತ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ
Yes, sir.
ಅದು ನೋಡಿ ಅದು ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನಾಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಒಂದು 2-3 ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ next question. Can I move next one?
Yes, sir.
Next one.
Sir, option 2 alwa, sir. Next one now.
Yes. Wait. Remember. Thirteen one ತಾನೆ tan was 1/4 plus tan was 2 by 9 LKG question.
13th one.
Tan was x plus tan was y formula. Tan was x plus y by 1 minus xy. Correct now? You can try easily, you will get the answer for this. What this set means, tan was 1/4 plus tan was 2 by 9. We know tan was x plus tan was y formula. Tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Tan inverse 1/4 plus 2 by 9 by 1 minus 1/4 2 by 9. Tan inverse 9 plus 8 by 36 minus 2. Tan inverse 17 by 34. Tan inverse 1/2. Understand? Next one. Question number 14. Cot of cosecant inverse 5 by 3 plus tan inverse 2 by 3. How to solve this means, this is in terms of tan is cosecant is. You can convert this also in terms of tan. How? Very easy. Like right angle triangle, cosecant means hypotenuse by opposite. This is how much 4. Cot of. How to write tan? This one convert to tan. Tan inverse 3 by 4 plus tan inverse 2 by 3. Cot of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Cot of tan inverse, it is a 9 plus 8, 17 by 6. Cot of tan inverse stands to cot inverse 6 by 17. Cot inverse cot cancel 6 by 17. Answer is that I converted cosecant square to tan square by using right angle triangle. After that, I use tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula. Understand? Next question. Completed. Can I go to the next question?
No, sir.
Okay, do it. So no problem. Have some time. Trigonometric formulas are created. Next question. What is one? Cot of cosecant inverse 5 by 3 plus
Sir, ಅದಾಯ್ತು.
ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಸರ್ ಅದಾಯ್ತು ಸರ್ 15th ಒಂದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಿರೋದು.
15th one.
Yes. 15th one. Sin inverse 4 by 5 plus 2 tan inverse 1 by 3. ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಇದು? ಇದು tan inverse ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ right angle triangle ಮಾಡಿ. Like right angle triangle opposite for hypotenuse by this is 3 now. This is nothing but tan inverse 4 by 3. 2 tan inverse x formula. What is 2 tan inverse x formula? Tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. Correct? Tan inverse 2 by 3 by 1 minus 1 by 9. Tan inverse 4 by 3 plus tan inverse 2 by 3 by 8 by 9. Tan inverse 4 by 3 plus tan inverse 3 times 3 by 4. Tan inverse 4 by 3 plus this tan inverse 3 by 4, right? Cot inverse 4 by 3. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x 1 now.
Yes, sir.
Tan inverse 3 by 4 error cot inverse reciprocal. Both angles are same. According to property, answer 1. This one already we did. Tan inverse 3 by 4 before problem. Same repeated.
Sir, one option ಇಲ್ಲ.
Sir, pi by 2.
ಹೌದು
15th one.
ಇದೇ 5/2 ಆನ್ಸರ್.
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
tan of x plus cot of x is 5/2. ಅದಾಗ್ತದೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Yes, sir.
End of this.
Sir, 0.
Yes, sir. 0, sir.
0 ನಾ 16 ಅಂತಾನೆ.
Yes, sir.
cos inverse minus 1/7 plus sin inverse minus 1/7. cos inverse minus 1/7 pi minus cos inverse 1/7 minus sin inverse 1/7.
Sir, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to 1 pi by 2.
Pi by 2 ಹಂಗೆ direct ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
But even though normal procedure ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. If you take minus common,
Yes, sir.
cos inverse 1/7 plus sin inverse 1/7. Pi minus pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 0. So directly also you can write this is pi by 2 cos pi by 2 is 0. Okay. There actually they will give condition x is greater than 0. Okay.
Sir, answer next one sir, answer next one ಗೆ 17th one ಗೆ.
Sir, 17th one.
17th one ಎಷ್ಟು 1.
ಹಾ sir.
ಹೌದು. sin of tan inverse 5 plus tan inverse 1/5. tan inverse 5 plus cot inverse 5 ಅನ್ಕೋಬೋದಾ?
Yes sir.
tan plus cot inverse 5/1. ಇವತ್ತು ಇಷ್ಟವರೆಗೂ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. 6:45 ಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇದೆ. ನಿಮ್ದು ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದು